Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to simply change your Snapchat birthday date. It's a very simple thing, so let's just get into it. Open up your Snapchat and log into your account if you're not already logged in, that is. Once you are logged in, just cancel the prompts that you might be getting. So just click don't allow. And afterwards just heading to the settings of your Snapchat, which is to the left. Once you're here, click on the settings icon and right where it says birthday, right here, just select it and you can change your birthday from here. So for example, if you want to change it to the 23rd of August 1994, and we just need to click continue afterwards, click OK, and there you go. Now your birthday will be set to a different date. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.